200 power phrases to improve your English speaking. Speak English confidently, with ease. Welcome, friends. Are you ready to boost your English speaking skills and sound more natural, fluent, and confident? In this video, we bring you 200 powerful everyday phrases that you can use in conversations at school, at work, with friends, or while traveling. Each phrase comes with easy meaning plus practical usage plus emojis, so you can learn faster and remember longer. Stay till the end, because by the time you finish, you'll have a toolbox of English phrases to impress anyone anywhere. Everyday conversation phrases. How's it going? Long time no see. What have you been up to? That sounds great. I really appreciate it. No worries, it's fine. Better late than never. It's not a big deal. I can't thank you enough. That makes sense. I'm just kidding. That's a good point. I see what you mean. Exactly, you're right. I couldn't agree more. That's interesting. What do you think? How do you feel about it? That's true, actually. Sounds like a plan. Small blue diamond. Polite and formal phrases. Could you please repeat that? Would you mind helping me? I'd really appreciate your advice. Sorry to bother you. Excuse me, may I ask something? That's very kind of you. Thank you for your time. I beg your pardon. Please accept my apologies. I look forward to hearing from you. May I join you? Allow me to explain. It's a pleasure to meet you. Could you clarify that, please? I'd be happy to help. That's much appreciated. Sorry, I didn't catch that. If I may add something. With all due respect, I understand your concern. Small blue diamond phrases for opinions. In my opinion, I personally believe, from my point of view, as far as I'm concerned, it seems to me that, I'm convinced that, I'd say that, the way I see it, to be honest, honestly speaking, I'm not so sure about that. That's one way to look at it. I'd rather not comment, if you ask me. My impression is that, I strongly feel that. That's just my opinion, though. Some people may disagree, but from where I stand, I see it differently. Small blue diamond. Agreement and disagreement. Absolutely right. I totally agree. That's exactly what I think. You're spot on. Couldn't agree more. True. I feel the same. That's just what I was thinking. I see your point. I'm afraid I disagree. I see it another way. Not necessarily. I'm not sure about that. I don't think so. I beg to differ. That's not always the case. I'm afraid I can't agree. That's a valid point, but I respectfully disagree. I see it differently. Let's agree to disagree. Small blue diamond. Confidence and speaking fillers. You know what I mean. Actually, the thing is, to be honest, well, let me think. As I was saying, what I mean is, that's a tough question, if I'm not mistaken. I suppose so. Kind of, you know. Let me put it this way. So, basically, I'd like to add that. Just to clarify, I'd like to emphasize that, if I remember correctly, at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is, you could say that, more or less, yes. Making requests. Could you do me a favor? Would you mind waiting a moment? Can I ask you something? Can you give me a hand? I need a little help. Do you mind if I sit here? Could I borrow your pen? Would it be possible to? May I open the window? Can you please explain this? Is it okay if I join? Can you show me the way? Could you please slow down? May I ask a question? Can I use your phone? Would you kindly? Can I trouble you for a minute? I wonder if you could help. Can you suggest something? Please, could you repeat? Expressing emotions. I'm really excited. That makes me happy. I'm so grateful. I'm feeling great today. That's hilarious. I'm thrilled about this. I'm so proud of you. That's amazing. I feel nervous. I'm worried about this. I'm a bit confused. That's disappointing. I feel terrible. I'm sorry for your loss. That's heartbreaking. I feel blessed. That's frustrating. I'm really angry. That's shocking. I'm over the moon. Problem solving are daily situations. What should we do now? Let's figure it out. How do we solve this? I think we need a plan. That won't work. Let's try another way. I'll handle it. Don't worry, I've got this. We can fix it. Let's give it a try. It's worth a shot. Let's not waste time. That's not possible. I'll find a solution. We'll manage somehow. Just stay calm. There must be a way. It's not the end of the world. We can work it out. Let's think it through. Professional or work phrases. Let's get started. Shall we begin? Let's discuss the main points. That's a valid suggestion. I'll look into it. Let's take a break. We need to focus on priorities. That's worth considering. Let's move forward. I'll get back to you on that. Let's review the details. That's not in my scope. I'll take responsibility. Let's brainstorm ideas. Could you clarify that point? That's highly effective. We're running out of time. Let's wrap it up. We need more data. Let's finalize the plan. Travel and social situations. How much does it cost? Where is the nearest bus stop? Could you recommend a good restaurant? I'd like a ticket, please. What time does it open? Is this seat taken? Can I have the menu? Do you have any suggestions? Where's the washroom? Can I pay by card? What's the best way to get there? Could you take a picture, please? How long will it take? I'm just looking, thanks. Can I try this on? Could you lower the price? What's the exchange rate? Can I get a map? Where can I find a taxi? I'd like to order this. These 200 phrases will help you sound fluent, natural, and confident in English conversations at school, work, or daily life. Practice English daily and see the magic. Keep speaking, keep learning, and keep growing with Principal Sir. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English talks.